What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my next challenge, or my second challenge, which I am doing Ryuk from Deathnote. I wanted to try something a little bit different. I mean, this one was fairly easy to do. I mean, it was a lot of big shapes on this one, so it wasn't really too hard. Trying to get his overall facial structure right. And usually monsters are a little bit easier to do, only because their proportions and everything are just kind of crazy anyway. So this one I went straight to the inks because I felt a little more comfortable with it after doing the first challenge. So I started getting with the mouth, then started getting the teeth in, and then I pretty much had in mind where I wanted to go with this. So see, that's like a kind of a creepy look anyway. I actually wanted to have more time on this because I know he always eats apples all the time, and I wanted to add an apple to this, but I didn't really have enough time to add the apple, so I kind of just said, oh, well, I might as well just leave it out. And I wanted to use the Copic marker to add just a little bit of color to it, to his eyes, give him the death's eyes. And again, adding the blacks for his clothing. I want to use this brush pen for the majority of it, but I was trying to save on the ink on it, so I said, well, I might as well switch it up between this one and my other pen. And a lot of our pens are running out of ink now, so I'm going to end up going to the store to get some more. So right now I'm just refining it. At this point I was pretty comfortable with it. I had about a good three minutes left. So adding my usual cross hatching, getting all the shadows. Pretty much was already good with where this was going, so I was just putting shadows where it was needed. And finishing his eye. I actually wanted to add blue to his eye, but I think at that last minute when I added that earpiece, I had actually forgotten to put it in, but I just made it in just in time before the 10-minute mark. For 1 minute, I had to slow it down. I think it's for 1 minute and 10 seconds. I started in a pen because I kind of knew where I was going to go with it, and I figured his eyes were a good starting point. It was kind of easy to figure things out fairly quickly as far as a quick sketch for the short time limit it was. So I figured this was, I guess, a little bit easy, even though it still didn't turn out too good, but it was better than the last video. I was able to fit in enough pretty fast. I don't think I got all the spikes in, but I got some of the spikes in. I made a pretty decent job, and of course the 10-second one, that's the one I can barely get. I think that's the one I still have trouble with, but I'm gonna nail the 10-second one and have a lot of detail on that too. I'm just trying to throw it in super fast. That's about as far as I can get with that. Alright. If you'd like to see more videos, like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys later.